shoot like hoops while I'm riding in the coupe. I got what you want, it ain't nothing but a loop. Don't listen to friends, they don't know what's best for you. I want you, yeah, that I wanna shoot like hoops while I'm riding in the coupe. I got what you want, it ain't nothing but a loop. Don't listen to friends, they don't know what's best for you.
YouTube world, what's going on, people? Welcome. We are currently live on Twitch doing patron request reactions. We're about to check out Home Free Ring of Fire with a hiccup start at Evansville, Indiana. This is not that long ago, actually. So we're going to jump into it. If you guys want to be part of these Twitch streams, go down to the link tree, click on that, and then just click on the Twitch. It'll bring you right to my channel. Follow, make sure the notifications are on, and you're good to go. Come hang out with us the next time we do this. It's a lot of fun, believe it or not. Anyways, this request comes in from Angela. Angela, thank you so much for being a patron. Thank you for being a Saucytron. I appreciate the support. Let's see what you sent in. Right me out.
I think that applies going for everybody who works here at this beautiful theater. Hopefully they'll have us back.
You know, I think Austin's hair radius, I think his hairline, not here. His hair radius, I think it's bigger than his waist. I'm pretty sure. Pretty sure his hair is wider than his waist. Especially in person. Like he's a country boy for sure. He's a very, very thin country boy with some beautiful locks.
Once again, if you didn't get a chance, there'll be merch available after the show as well. And Texas Hill told me they were going to be hanging out there as well, so stop by and see our buddies. But is it all right if we do one more song for y'all tonight? All right, y'all got to sing it with us. Hold on. All right, I'm going to let y'all know a little secret. A lot of people ask us how we know how to start each song. There's a little foot pedal here, and when I step on it, we get a click and a count off in our ears. But we've been doing this well enough that we know when it's the wrong count off, and that's what just happened. We got all the way through the first show with no hiccups, made it to the second encore.
So close, you guys. It was almost good.
No, I don't think this is So during this tour, somebody from the SauceyFam bought me virtual tickets. I forget the name of the website or the name of the app. I think it starts with an M. Anyways, it's an app that artists like Home Free can broadcast their concerts, and they can, sell tickets digitally. So I watched one of these shows live from my phone, but I don't recall this. Something like this happened is why I'm thinking about it, because they had a whole bunch of technical problems. But I think it was at the beginning and not the end that they had the issues. Anywho, this is really funny, and it is it was their final encore at the live show that I went to also. Everybody was going nuts, and then it finally came out, and I mean, Ring of Fire is mainly because of Tim's closing note. Ring of Fire is probably their most popular among the casual fans. Home Fries, probably not. Definitely not, actually. But the casual people that somewhat know Home Free, Ring of Fire is probably why they know them, between Avi being in it. And anyways, yeah, I wanted to say that I saw this on my phone, but I don't think this is the concert. I'm not sure that it was, now that I think about it. But anyways, that's funny to hear.
It was almost good. No.
Our second encore is not in the tracks rig. That means no matter what we do at this moment to kill time, it's not magically gonna appear there. Well, I guess we're gonna just try to sing this thing without any guide tracks. Well, it is the one song that we've done more than any other song in the last 8.
I was going to say, I mean, this thing started at the very beginning, right? Well, not the very, you know what I mean. You know what I mean. The beginning from Sing Off on. That's funny. That's funny. I wonder what the backup tracks sound like. Like how much is going on there, you know? Huh.
8 years, and we're definitely gonna need y'all to help us out on this one. 1, 2, 3, 4. I fell into a burning ring of fire. I went down, 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 and the flames went higher. The burning, 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 the ring of fire, the ring of fire. The taste of love is sweet, and hearts like ours meet. I fell for you.
It's really funny now hearing live performances from them now that I have seen them live. Yeah. To say it doesn't do it justice, it's almost laughable how much of an understatement that is. Seriously. If they come anywhere near you, get tickets. They're not expensive. Go. I don't care what kind of music you're into. I don't care if you despise country. Go. That's an order. Go. It will forever change how you feel about this group of men. I love that. You hear how it sounds like the phone microphone is blowing? Well, it's funny. That's because it is. It's not meant to handle airplane engines blowing into it, which is practically what's happening here from a decibel standpoint. So, yeah. The suspense that it... He made us wait much longer for him to to hit the fire.
Thank you, Alex, for a good night.
I thought Austin was about to throw his jacket into the stands, at which point I would have thrown a man-sized hissy fit, because you didn't do that when you came to Maine, bucko. That was awesome. That was awesome. Angela, thank you for the request. I really enjoyed that. Yeah. Again, if you guys have not been to see them live, just do so. Do so immediately. Anyways. Again, thanks, Angela. Hope you guys enjoyed that. YouTube world, like button, subscribe. But please, find your way to the Twitch channel. Come join us, man. It's a really good time watching this stuff as a group. So, take care of yourselves and each other. Stay safe out there. Peace out. SauceyFam.
Pull up two door on my lover. Do what I want, I'ma do it forever. Yeah, I want it all, nothing less. I could do what he do, but I'm doing it best. Yeah, mix match the chrome with Marshall. I can say what I want, I don't fall for the drama. Nah. New girl, California. She be driving California. She want me like the vaccine. I made a check, didn't need no degree. I prove them all wrong, who didn't believe. Do it myself, I don't need no team. No kid, no scholar. Hey, made me go farther. You can say what you want, but I'm still unbothered. Go down, get back up. Do it all myself, don't need no